निलेश काब्राल आतां म्हाका दिसता 2 वर्सां मायज जालो मंत्री ना आनी तेणी जे पद सोडलेलें ते पार्टीक गरज आसली, सरकाराक गरज आसली कोणाक तरी एकोमोडेट करून पॉलिटिकल इक्वेशन सारके दवरपाक. त्या टायमार तेणें तें उदार मनान सोडलेलें अशें म्हणपाक जाता. सो ताका काडूंक नासलो वा ताका असो कितें तरी एक्शन तेजेर घेवं नासली. वा दुसरो जो गोविंद गावडे तेजेर एक्चुली एक्शन टायप जाल्ली. तेणी तो रिजायन जावनासलो, ताका ड्रॉप केल्लो आनी तो रिसंटली ड्रॉप केला आनी तेजे फाटल्यान कारणां आहा वेगळी ड्रॉप करपा फाटल्यान ती उगड म्हणजे ती पब्लीक हितून आहा की बाबा कितें जाल्लें, स्टेटमेंट कितें येयल्लें, तेजे कडल्यान कितें चुको घडलेल्यो हेजे ते सगळे उगड आहा. सो असल्या टायमार दोगां भितरलो कोणाक चान्स दिवपाची जर विशय येता तेन्ना निलेश काब्राल सतत फुडें आसतलो.
निलेश काब्रालाचो ऑप्शन हेंच्या कडेन आसाच, कारण निलेश काब्राल हो तसो भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या टिकेटीचेरूच आयिल्लो मनीस आनी तो काम करपी एक आमदार. ताजी काय पराभवाची म्हणजे तो पडटलो फाल्यां अशेंय काय चित्र नाशिल्लें. सो ताका सडनली काडलो हेंच्यांनी. सो म्हाका दिसता तेजो विचार जर केलो बीजेपीन जाल्यार काय आश्चर्य दिसपाची गरज ना, अजाप दिसपाची गरज ना.
Nilesh Cabral has been a performer, but because CM had said because of political compulsions, we had to exit him from his cabinet post. Now, whether the government is ready to take him back and accept the fact that yes, that was indeed a political compulsion, and now we are sorted. Now we are getting him back. The fact here is, Pramod, is that it is very crucial for Nilesh Cabral himself politically to be brought back as a cabinet minister, because he is fighting a very neck and neck kind of a battle in Khurshedam. If you see, last time he won by just 672 votes, and this time it's going to be could be even worse, and a cabinet post may help him or boost his chances in the elections in 2027. That could be one option. But if you see the larger gains for the BJP by giving Nilesh Cabral the cabinet post, I don't think there is large gains there for the BJP. They may look elsewhere where they have better chances of winning. So both Nilesh Cabral and Govind Gowde, I don't think they will ever visit Govind Gowde in the immediate future now, because given the kind of a bad blood which was flowing between the party and Govind Gowde, I don't think they will look at Govind Gowde again.